Last episode, I told you AI is like having a brilliant assistant on call 24/7. But here's the thing nobody tells you. That assistant is only as good as the instructions you give it. Same AI, same tool, same day. But two people can type two different requests and get two completely different results. One gets something bland, generic, forgettable. The other gets something that sounds like it came from a top consultant. Today, I'm going to introduce you to our recurring split-screen showdown partners. Peter, the bad prompter, and Anu, our prompting pro. And by the end of this video, you'll have the simple 4-letter formula Anu uses to get flawless results every single time. Let's say you're a marketing manager and your company just launched a new product. Day in, day start, you need a LinkedIn post announcing it, and you need it now. On the left, here's what Peter types. He's in a rush, so he does what most people do. 6 words. Peter hits send, expecting a masterpiece. Look at Peter's face. That output is fine, but it is absolutely not going to stop anyone mid-scroll. It sounds like a generic corporate template. Peter is disappointed. He's literally pulling his hair out in frustration. Now, same AI tool, same product, same afternoon. But watch what happens when Anu tackles the exact same task. Press enter. Let's see what comes back for Anu. Look at that. Same product, same AI, but this one has a hook, a rhythm, a clear action step. It actually sounds like a premium brand wrote it. Anu is ecstatic. She's literally jumping with joy and doing a double fist pump. The AI didn't get smarter between those two prompts. Anu's instructions got smarter. Here's the honest truth. AI can't read your mind. When Peter types 6 vague words, the AI has to guess. Who's this for? What tone? How long? What's the goal? And when it has to guess, it plays it safe. Safe means generic. Anu's prompt didn't ask the AI to be smarter. It just removed all the guessing. And the good news? You don't need to be a coding genius to write prompts like Anu. There's a simple, repeatable structure behind it. It is called the role framework. Role stands for 4 things: role, objective, limitation, and example. Let's break each one down using the prompt Anu just used. Here. R is for role. Tell the AI who it should act as, not because it's role playing for fun, but because a marketing manager writes differently than a lawyer or a customer support agent. 15. Giving it a role instantly narrows down the tone, the vocabulary, the priorities. Quick tip: the more specific the role, the better. A marketing manager is good. A marketing manager at a mid-sized SaaS company is better. O is for objective. So what is this piece of content actually supposed to achieve? Not just write a post, but drive free trial signups. That single phrase changes everything about how the AI writes the ending. Ask yourself, if this worked perfectly, what would happen next? That's your objective. L is for limitation. This is where you set the guardrails, length, tone, format, what to avoid. Without this, AI will happily write you 5 paragraphs when you needed 5 lines. This is the step Peter skipped completely, and it's usually the one that saves you the most editing time afterward. E is for example. Give the AI a reference point, a style, a brand, a format it can aim for. Write something punchy means something different to everyone. Write it like a Slack launch post means something very specific. You don't always need a full example. Sometimes naming a style or a brand is enough to steer the tone exactly where you want it. So let's zoom back out. Role, objective, limitation, example. Dig. 4 questions, that's it. Who should the AI be? What should this accomplish? What are the guardrails? And what should it sound or look like? Answer those 4 questions before you hit enter, and you will never get a generic, forgettable answer again. This isn't about writing longer prompts for the sake of it. It's about writing complete ones. Here's your challenge for this episode. Take literally anything you need to write this week, an email, a post, a description, and run it through role before you type your prompt. Role, objective, limitation, example. 4 quick questions, 30 extra seconds of typing, and a dramatically better result. Drop a comment with your before and after. I genuinely want to see the difference it makes for you. And in our next episode, we're taking the role framework out for a real test drive. I'm going to run Peter and Anu against 3 real workplace situations: a data summary, an angry customer email, and prep for a leadership meeting. Live side by side. You do not want to miss the difference. Thanks for watching. Go ROLE something today, and I'll see you in the next one.